In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from Phantom to Crypto.com. Let's dive into the process to ensure it goes smoothly and effortlessly for you. First things first, you'll want to open the Phantom app. If you haven't already done so, make sure you log into your account. This is important because you need access to your wallet to carry out the transfer. Once you're logged in, you will notice you're on your home page. This is where you can clearly see your balance and all the tokens you hold. This page is your central hub and will be where you initiate the transfer process. Now, to move forward, you'll need to click on the Send button. This is the gateway to transferring your tokens to other wallets or exchanges. In this particular transfer, we'll be focusing on Solana, so make sure you select Solana when prompted. Now we come to an essential part of the process. You need to have your Solana address from Crypto.com ready. This is the address where you'll transfer your tokens, so it's crucial to have it handy. Double check you've copied the correct Solana address from your Crypto.com account. Once you have it, you'll paste this address into the recipient's Solana address field. This step is critical as any error here might lead to losing your tokens. So, take a moment to ensure everything is accurate and matches exactly. After you've pasted the correct address, the next step is to enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Be sure to double check that the amount fits with what you want to move. Over or under transferring might lead to additional complications. Once satisfied with the details, go ahead and click Next. At this point, you will need to follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts are designed to guide you through the final stages of the transfer process. It's vital to follow each instruction carefully. These might include confirming transaction details or going through some security checks to ensure everything is how it should be. Once you complete these prompts, your transfer from Phantom to Crypto.com will initiate. And there you have it. You've learned how to successfully transfer from Phantom to Crypto.com. Remember, the keys to a smooth transfer are ensuring your Solana wallet addresses match perfectly and carefully following any prompts that arise. Thank you for joining me today, and happy transferring.